Hi, today we're going to review the Srimad Bhagavad Gita, which is a new product from Adarsh Private Limited. It is also the world's first talking Gita, so this is something very unique. So this side of the box shows the contents, which is the Bhagavad Gita book itself, Sanskrit to English, the talking pen, set of earphones, USB data cord, dry pencil and cell batteries. Okay. This side we have the address of the creators, and it is also available in Hindi. Nothing here. Okay. So let's unbox this. So this is the tray, in which has a box and it says talking pen. So let's come back to that later. So this is what this review is all about. This is the book. Okay, the book feels really nice in your hand. The index, it has 18 chapters. For those who are familiar with Gita already know this. So let's unbox the pen. This is the pen. So let's fire this up. Okay, so these earphones and the USB data cord. So let's try this.
Dhritarashtra said, Sanjay, what happened to my sons and sons of Pandavas assembled in the battlefield of Kurukshetra with a desire to fight?
Okay, so it will first read out the shlok and it will explain you in English. So let's try some other shlok, probably a smaller one.
Many liberated souls in ancient times have acted with this understanding of me. You should therefore perform your duty in accordance with their footsteps.
Okay, so this was the pen. Here you have the USB port, the earphone auxiliary port, the volume button and the power button. Thank you.